doing? We're going to prove that a divided by sine of a equals 2r. This is a derivation of the sine rule, which comes in handy when you're working on complex applied problems or proofs. So I drew a circle. I labeled my vertices as A, B, and C. So here they are right here. These are the vertices. And of course, these are uppercase letters. And the side across from them would be little a, the lowercase letters. The side across from the vertex C is little c, and then B. All right. So basically, I'm going to let this right here be the radius, and this point be S. All right, so if you look at this and extend this line here, so I'm going to extend it out. I'm going to call this vertex D. All right, and we know this is the radius here. All right, so basically what we can say is CD is the diameter. Right, it's 2 times R. All right, and we also know that SC equals SD, right? And that equals your radius. So each one of these is your radius. So therefore CD equals 2R. And that's your circumference radius. All right, now let's join BD. So I'm going to join a BD segment here. That gives me a right angle. So when I do that, I know that my angle DBC equals 90 degrees. And that's the angle in semicircle. All right, so from there, we know that angle BDC equals angle BAC. So we know that this angle here equals this angle, and that's by your circle theorems. Angles in the same segment are equal. So it's this theorem right here. So since they're in the same segment, they're equal. Therefore, we have a sine of angle BDC equals, so we have BDC equals opposite over hypotenuse. All right. Now I'm going to continue on. Hopefully you have all this. So basically we know that opposite is going to be BC, and the hypotenuse is CD. And we're looking at this triangle right here. All right. And this is going to equal, and I'm running out of room here, A divided by 2R. Okay. So therefore, since we had sine A divided by sine of A equals 2R, we just proved that sine of A equals A divided by 2R. Okay, so that's what we have. So all we have, this is what we proved. So all we have to do now is cross multiply, and we get 2R equals A divided by sine of A. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.